guys, so I brined a ham overnight in the briner thing there, briner bucket. Kind of cold in here. Remember, oh my God, is that cold? It is cold as ice. Willing to sacrifice our love. Oh, look, it's heavy.
Oh, it's falling apart.
Oh, it's got ice in it. So yeah, I brined that overnight. It's pretty loose and cold. Wish I had a towel. I never use a used towel, guys. Just so you know.
Well, that's good because there isn't any used towels out right now. They're in the washer.
Very much so. So I'm gonna add some Lowry's.
Oh, gosh darn jar of it.
I don't really like hot stuff, so just a couple flakes of this. Of crushed red pepper. A little bit of onion powder. And then a packet of Lipton Recipe Secrets. This is the savory and
herb and garlic.
Herb and garlic. And then since we had a little bit of this left over,
I was drinking that, but okay.
But now it's gone. See? That's how you get stuff gone. And then I guess I'm going to use some of this pineapple juice. I think it expired a day or two ago. But yeah, it expired 2 days ago. That's fine. You're just cooking with it. So that'll be our juice for this ham. What else can we put in here? Oh, you know, one thing I have to add to everything
the minced garlic
is minced garlic.
on the top shelf behind the mac and cheese.
I add this stuff to everything I make now. I don't know why, but I do. Just grab a spoonful. Right on top. Yeah, then I'm going to put it on the slow cookery thing here for, I don't know, probably 4 or 5 hours, and we'll see what she does. So yeah, I'm just going to use my bad arm and lift it up there. I already had it pre-hotting. I'm going to turn her up to about 200 and set it for about 4 hours, and we'll check back on it in 4 hours. We'll do another video on seeing how delicious it is. Alright, so if life isn't interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit, winners never win. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, comment, share. Hit that bell button.
Ding, 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 ding.
See all our future videos, and have a great day. Later.